Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Fear Logan, back with another video. You know how I promised you another card video. As you can see, Pokemon. Unified Minds, brand new set. We're gonna get into it, and we're gonna be opening some cards. Obviously, what else would I be opening? Obviously, this video will have more commentary because I know how to, read the names, and it won't be that bad. Once I don't know how to read the names, that's a big oof. But I also have this really rare Ho-Oh card, Legends, down there, if you can see it. I don't know if you can. But it doesn't matter at all, because we want to open this Unified Minds Elite Trainer box. I'm going to position this camera down a bit. Alrighty, that's perfect. And we're going to pop this box out. Okay, so we got the book with all the cards. We don't really need it because I know it's in this set already. So I've seen it on YouTube, but here we go. Oh my gosh, what is this? Is this literally just a filler? I mean, seriously? Okay. So, dice. These are pretty sick. Bunch of random stuff. Dividers. If you can see those dividers. Pretty sick. There's a code for you guys at home. Here. There you go. And get a bunch of energy cards right here. Then we get these insane looking sleeves. These are awesome. Definitely hope I get a good pull out of this. So let's get into the real cards. That was kind of not a good thing, what I just did there. Just so you can see this better, guys, I'm going to put that right there. And we're going to get into this. I think I'm going to start with the Mew and Mewtwo, just because. Ooh, good code. There you go, guys. Code for the boys. Always take 4 from the back. It's a good card trick. Blue Energy, Heracross, Coach Trainer, Cursella, Purleon, Joltik, Dratini, Yungoos, Yana, Red. Oh, Latios! Let's go, Latios GX, guys. Let's go. Let's flip and go. Let's go, guys. Alrighty. Time to get out these insane looking sleeves. This is a good pull, guys. I knew my first pack was going to be good. Imagine if I get the Rainbow Rare Mewtwo and Mew. Guess how much that goes for, guys. Leave in the comments down below and guess. I'll tell you at the end of the video. And if I don't, remind me and I'll make a separate video opening more packs and telling you. Okay, I'm going to open. Okay. This is insane already. Put that right there. So that's all the pulls right there. Let's get all these cards out of the way. Let's open this one. Ooh, that's not a good code. But here you go. Here's the code, guys. And let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pink Energy, Pokemon Manic, Lapras, Karate Belt, Drillbur, Dwebble, Pidove, Muna, Pikachu, Drifloop, and Tapu Fini. It's not that good, but it's kind of rare, so I'll put that with Pikachu. I'm literally gonna cut it. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Ooh, good code, guys. Good code. The white and the green are insane codes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy, Grimsleeve, I don't know, Archen, Lickitung, Purith. Oh, I see something, guys. Magmar, Tyano, Cosmog, Jatini. Oh my gosh, guys. Full art tag team, Mega Sable and Tyranitar. Let's go, guys. Look how sane this looks. Probably not going to get any more pulls after this one, guys. I don't know. But this is insane, guys. This box must be really good, I guess. But obviously, after this, no more pulls because that's how luck goes. But actually, this is a good pack right here. I'll push all that stuff to the side. I'll show you the poster at the end of the video. Oh, another good code, guys. We've been having good luck with the good codes lately. That's definitely good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. Blue Energy, Tranquil, Recycle Energy, Chandras, Honedge, Sneasel, Magnemite, Slowcloth, Axew, Pikachu. Can I stop with my luck? A full art Chandler trainer card. This set is insane, honestly. I'm gonna have to open some more booster boxes after this one, guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed this new card thing I'm doing, because I'm really enjoying it. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay, we have 4 more boosters to go. Now let's hope we get lucky. We have another one of these good ones. New Fun Minds. Let's do this. So today I was at the card shop, right? I was talking to the guy, and I was like, what set's better? You can find Minds or Team Up. And he said this set's really good. And I'll take his word for it. I'm not going to get anything. I know this. Pink Energy. Yamaga. Ear-ringing Bell. Blaine's Quiz Show. Salandit. Gibble. Swadley. Big Doof. Scorpy. Oxy. And Executor. Okay, well, we didn't get a good code. That's all I'm going to say. I'm sad this is almost over. This is so much fun. This is so sad. Oh, bad code, guys. This is not a good sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back. Steel Energy, Dragonair, Stanny, Doughblade, Fetchender, Stunfish, Onyx, Fennon, Alolan Grimer, Azelf, and I don't know how to pronounce this one, but it's a regular rare. Kind of upsetting, but we did get some really good pulls, I'm not gonna lie. Another bad code, guys. I hope this last pack is a good code, okay? Another code for the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you should be able to pull anything out of any card thingy. We got a Steel Energy, Cherish Ball, Tauros, Taraga, Execute, Murkrow, Snover, Dratini, Fungoose, Meditate, and Slaggle, regular rare. Darn it! It's not over. We have one more pack. Need to take a minute. It's the last pack. We gotta get good luck out of it. Let's do this thing. If I don't get a good code, I hate this. At least we got some good cards. I'm not gonna lie about that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Darn it. This is so upsetting. Fighting Energy, Orgrew, Weakness Guard Energy, Stadium Nav, Whipod, Noabat, Sneasel, Bonus Sweet, Joltik, Jinx, and Honeycrow. So, turns out you only get 3 good cards. I'll show you those. You only get 3 good cards out of 8. Sad. But, anywho, So we got Trainer Chandler. We got Mega Stable and Mega Tyranitar team up card. This is insane. Hope my thing focuses. Maybe you can, I don't know. Will it focus? I hope it focuses. Okay, well it won't, but I'll try. You guys just look up what this card looks like. And then this one goes in, because it's probably not full art. But we also got a Latios GX. Alright guys, well, thank you. Oh, right. I gotta tell you the Mewtwo. It's $150 that we just skipped out of. Upsetting. That's all I'm gonna say. And we also have this really rare Ho-Oh Legends card. Really rare. Shiny and all that. Anywho guys, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next card video or gaming video. Bye!